this is Adam again with Michelle, Kelly, Becca, Guy, and Pam. Currently in the Clarke Gable room right now. Clarke, is Carole with you tonight? Carole, we're curious about you. Have you been trying to contact us lately? Carole, do you have a message for us? We were at the Pioneer Saloon recently, just stopping by. Yeah, we understand that's close to where you died, Mount Potosi. We were also in Arizona recently as well. And we came across your name once again. Is there something you want us to know?
Any other people other than Clarke Gable and Carole in this room?
This has been silent, but it says complete. It's the first word that popped up.
Referring to what?
No idea.
Complete. Like we completed something maybe?
It says stay.
Interesting.
Stay.
I was about to end the EVP session.
Do you remember us from last time?
Do you like us being here? In the EVP session. Carole, do you have a message for us? We're at the Pioneer Saloon recently, just stopping by. We understand that's close to where you died. Yeah, we understand that's close to where you died, Mount Potosi. We were also in Arizona recently as well. And we came across your name once again. Is there something you want us to know? Is there something you want us to know? Is there something you want us to know?